welcome to the vlog. This is actually gonna be a realistic productive day in my life vlog, meaning this is basically just a normal day for me. I'm so happy you guys voted to see a realistic day in my life instead of just like a super aesthetic day in my life vlog, because I'm not gonna lie, I started my period yesterday, so I'm so glad that we were on the same page. The reason I'm still calling it a productive day in my life is because in all reality, we still gotta get shit done. Speaking of which, let's go over the agenda for the day, shall we? I did go tanning earlier, as you guys saw. That was so lovely. That was such a great start to my day, just kind of easing into things. I don't get a lot of days that start that way, but I was really feeling the need to just like have some me time just before we got into the nitty gritty of the day. We've got some work to do. I'm at Aldi right now, so we're about to do a grocery situation. I need to get some editing done. I still need to respond to emails, possibly work on my newsletter if I have time, take Tyson for a walk. And also, if I can, I'd like to squeeze some more self-care in there. I want to get some laundry done, which I know is like a house chore, but I consider that self-care because, girl, I hate walking past a pile of laundry that needs to be put away. It just stares at me. It stares at me and it judges me and I'm judging it, and we're just doing this thing back and forth, and honestly it needs to be eradicated. So we're gonna handle that today. Maybe do some fun skincare, I don't know. And then that's pretty much an entire day right there. With that being said, let's go into Aldi and get some freaking groceries. There's literally a million people here, so I might have picked the worst time of the day to come and vlog, but you know what? That's showbiz, baby. That's showbiz. Let's get a move on. I'm not gonna lie to you, I was just checking Instagram. I saw that Lana Del Rey posted and I got so distracted. That was like 20 minutes ago. But anyways, got the groceries put away, had a little bit of lunch, opened up some packages, having a little snack. I got this protein yogurt from Aldi. I've been trying to be better about my protein consumption, so I felt like this was a good little snack to have. It's 15 grams of protein and only 100 calories, which is actually crazy. I didn't even see that when I bought it. Slay. We're about to get some work done because it's literally, I'm not even gonna hold you, 5:35 p.m. You wanted a realistic day in my life vlog, here it is, which actually I got a little bug to edit something super early in the morning and I stopped everything and I edited for about like 45 minutes to an hour. So I technically already got some work done. I've skimmed through my emails on my phone, but this is going to be dedicated girl bossing time. First priority is posting for the day. YouTube Shorts, Instagram, Pinterest, LTK, TikTok. And then if I have some time, I'm going to work on my newsletter, but I'm not going to overload myself. That's not something that has to get done today. It's just something I like to do if I do have a little bit more time. But seeing as it's already the evening, I might get into that, I might not, who knows. Oh, I did go down like the little home aisle. I always just like to go down there because they usually have candles, and sometimes their candles suck, but sometimes they're good. This one smelled good, and it's really hard for me to pass out a candle under $5. Be so fucking for real. It's Golden Sunset Oasis. Oh, it just smells very clean, but like a warm kind of clean, if that makes sense. I don't know if that makes sense. Anyways, we're gonna light her while we do our work session today. And then, oh my God, you saw I found these little like keychain stuffed animals. Please look at the one I got. Please, she's so cute. And it's like a little like Squishmallow. I mean, it's a different brand, obviously, like whatever this is. Oh, it is a Squishmallow. It's the original Squishmallow. Oh my God. I thought it was just gonna be like an Aldi spin-off. I didn't even like, I just blacked out. I saw these and I saw a pink one, I grabbed it. Oh my God, so she has a story. Her name's Pearl. Oh, stop. Oh my God, what's her story? Having a party? Call Pearl to organize it. Okay, slay Pearl. It's true, she loves to plan any party, no matter the size. Just make sure to give Pearl a budget. Wait, Pearl is me, I'm Pearl. She's been known to take events to an above and beyond level. Aren't ice sculptures appropriate for every event? It's so cute. Okay, anyways, let's put her over here while we work. Okay, enough chit chat. I need to get some shit done. Okay, the work sesh actually proved to be very successful. I forgot I had to fill out this whole like interview thing. It's just this publication company that I did an interview for before, and they wanted me to do another one. So I said yes, because anytime you can get publications, the better if you're an influencer, because then you can get verified on Instagram and TikTok and everything so much easier. Just a little side note. I know you can pay for your verification on Instagram, but I want to wait until I'm like given the verification. You know what I mean? Anyways, I got that done. Got all my emails done. Edited my post. Posted everywhere. Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. Because it was an outfit roundup video, I had 5 outfits in the video, so that means I had 5 outfits to upload to LTK, which means I had 5 LTK posts to link multiple products for. And I uploaded those 5 photos to Pinterest, which links back to LTK so people can shop. Anyways, I'm gonna go grab Tison. We're gonna go for a little sunset stroll. Please look at my hair. Like, what? Florida humidity. I feel gross because I covered my body in bug spray before I went on the walk. Definitely gonna take a shower. And then I feel like I can do my laundry. I feel like that's a good way to ease into the self-care part of the evening. You know what will make this better? Hold on, hold on. A crisp Coca-Cola over ice. Yes, thank you. Sex. Oh, I haven't even told you guys. Mason, my husband, and I, whom is taking a nap in the other room right now because he went fishing this morning. We're doing a dry 60, meaning we're not drinking for 60 days, specifically until the end of September, because we have a little occasion. That means heavy on the silly little drinks for me. Also, I think I just use that as an excuse when I'm not drinking alcohol to drink more random shit, but I feel like I deserve a reward. You know what I mean? All right, I'm getting in the shower. You see how I sip this Coke? Very demure, very mindful. Bro, I've been saying that all day. Let's do some skincare. I've been wanting to try these. The Soybean Milk Pad by Mixsoon. Love this brand. Love this brand. Wait, never mind. False alarm, false alarm. I was wanting to do a sheet mask though, so we might just go ahead and pop this on. Easy peasy. Juicy. See the way I'm carefully opening this face mask? Very demure, very mindful. So cold, oh my god. Trying to snatch my face. Not gonna lie, that was like the most successful application I've ever done on one of these. Oh, I need to put my body lotion on. I'm feeling like a body butter. Feeling like a body butter. Oh my god, the way I can't move my face. Okay, PJs are on. These are from Amazon, by the way. I will link them for you. I love the feel of these in particular. The brand is like Equair. I don't even know how you say it. But some of their PJs are a little bit more stiff and some are like super, super buttery silky. These in particular are fantastic. I have them in like so many different patterns. I love the stripes because it reminds me of Victoria's Secret like back in the day. By the way, these little Fenty lip masks are incred. Like better than my Laneige. And you guys know, if you guys remember, I used to use Laneige lip mask all the time. And then I switched to the Lawless Forget the Filler because A, they sent me a bunch of them, and B, they're incredible and they plump your lips. And I believe these actually do plump too, or maybe one of them does. I'm not exactly sure. But this does what it says it's gonna do. Like it actually fixes my lip problems. It doesn't just glide on top and like feel nice while the product's on. Do you know what I mean? Like my lips are soft afterwards. I love to put this on like right before bed, but I'm just gonna do it now. And like look, it has a lip mask finish. That's like half the reason why I love a lip mask is because of the finish. It's not like a gloss, it's not like a balm, it's a mask. It's different, okay? It's different. I would recommend the vanilla vanilla because I like the finish on it better. It just like gives you like a light sheen to your lips, but this one's really pretty. It has like golden flecks in it, if you can see. All right, I have a massive pile of laundry to do, so let's tackle that. Oh my god, no. This is the episode where Jess gets into a car accident with Rory's car. It makes me so anxious. Like, I probably will skip this episode. Side note, look at my skin. Why did I forget how amazing those little masks are? I'm definitely copying more. Anyways, seeing as it is 10:17 p.m., I think I'm gonna call it here. I feel like we did good today. I feel like we did good. Usually I'm not ready for bed this early, so slay. I mean, I know it's not early, but sometimes it's literally like 11, 12, sometimes later. Thanks for watching. I hope you loved the vlog. If you have any recommendations for next week's video, make sure you leave them in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget I have a poll on my community tab every single week where you can vote for the upcoming video, so make sure you head there if you want to say in next week's video. Speaking of which, if you made it to the end, hit the subscribe button, girl. Like, what are you doing? I post new videos every single weekend and I post almost daily on shorts, so don't worry, I have the content coming. Turn on your post notifications if you love me. And also, speaking of which, make sure you follow me on my other platforms. I'm on Instagram, I'm on TikTok, I'm on Pinterest. All of those will be linked in the description box down below. And other than that, if you really want to support my page, make sure you give it a big ass thumbs up. Okay, I think that's everything. If you liked this video, then make sure you check out these videos because you will love them as well. I love you guys so, so much, and I will see you next weekend. Bye.